kids, and welcome back to Kidbits. Today is the start of our third season, and we're going to talk all about the fascinating world of computer graphics. And I want to give you a little overview of what we're going to be talking about. And so therefore we're going to go to my computer here and I'm going to show you a little game. And so here we have a little boat and we can ride around in it, and you see how the boat is reflected in the water, and that the water almost looks real. And you also see when the boat drives that the water changes, and this is all done through computer graphics. And obviously it's not only in video games, but there's also another aspect of computer graphics, like for example in architecture. And so I'm going to show you here, this is a classroom that somebody designed with a 3D modeling software. And this is, for example, people also model houses that they then want to build, and other things like new cars and many other things. And you know what? The movies that you watch, like Frozen or Toy Story, they're also done through the power of computer graphics. And you know who's responsible for that? Well, it's this little guy here. This is called a graphics card. And this guy goes into the computer and works together with the other components that we already talked about. And in the next episode, we're going to be talking about how this guy basically processes pixels. So, thank you very much for watching, and see you next time. If you like this video, then find in the caption below our YouTube link and like and subscribe.